Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Klarus. This here is their 360X1. Now I did a previous review of their 360X3. Comes in this box. Now I was sent this by them directly. They wanted me to test and review this light. So now let's go ahead and take a look here at the specs. As you can see, the highest output on that is 1800 lumens. It's a lot of light. Now this is a complete kit. Comes with the battery. So if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, we're going to open it up, see what's in it. And there is stuff below it. I'll go ahead and take this box out. And that is the user manual. As you can see there, multi-languages, front and back. And this here has the holster. Some stuff down inside of it. The USB charging cable. We have a lanyard and also an O-ring. Nice quality on the holster. Nice to see Klarus doing this as well. Nice D-ring, double stitched material, quick access. This one here is padded too. It's got a liner on it, so that feels good. Should give you a good quality protection. Now as you can see here, there's a little plastic bowl inside there. That protects the light from accidentally turning on because of the way it is grooved around here. So you can actually turn on the light by pressing that or that. So you definitely want that to be able to be protected once you put it in there. You don't want to be burning up your holster. And I'll show that to you later on in the video. Now we're going to go ahead and grab the light. There it is. Now the previous model has a bigger head on it, but the body of it from here to back is pretty much the same. Gray bezel here. Battery level indicator LEDs behind the Klarus emblem. Now the body here on the barrel has a rubber coating on it. It's really going to help you with gripping it. Does have a little bit of knurling on it as well. Got knobbies here on the mode switch. 360 degrees. Anywhere you push on this, it'll go through the light outputs. Tail clicky. And there's a clip here. You can remove it if you don't want it on there. And that is pretty heavy duty. A little bit of heat sinking here. As you can see, pretty thick. As you can see here is the charging port. There's a little sticker here. I'll go ahead and remove this. And you can remove that little sticker, not really needed. Style and design on this is very nice. Use it for everyday carry. Definitely use it for tactical as well. No side switch on this. Now the machining and finish on this is very nice. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the deep smooth reflector. Now this is running the Cree XHP35 HD E4 LED. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the insides as well as the battery that comes with it. There's the spring there. Pretty heavy duty. A little bit of grease here on the O-ring. Has a protection piece here on the battery, so you want to remove that. Take the battery out. There's a spring down inside, but that's the best shot that I could do for you. Now we're going to take a look here at the battery that's included. Is a Klarus 18650 3600 milliamp. This is a protected cell. This is a 10 amp cell, so it should provide plenty of power to this light and give you good run times. Adds a lot of value to this light, and this is one of the highest battery milliamps that you can get. Put it all together. Alright, now that we got this all together, let's go ahead and go over the UI. UI is pretty straightforward. Activate the light here. As you can see, the beam's pretty tight. It's got a nice hot spot here, as you can see. A lot of bleeding around the edge of that. Nice cutoff for the spill area. And it's probably going to be a tight beam, just by the way it looks there on the table. See there? Now you can hit anywhere on these 3 to 60 button, and you can change all the modes. Lowest light output there. Now to get the special modes, you're going to press and hold this area here, anywhere on the light. Press and hold for at least 2 seconds. We'll get you strobe, and that is a variable speed, which is very distracting. Click that one time. Now this light does not have memory mode, so if you turn it on the lowest one, turn it off, turn it back on, it always starts off on high. So just letting you know that ahead of time. And that's all there is to this light. And not only that, but it feels really nice, rugged, perfect size, you know. Alright, so let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Klarus 360X1. So let's get started, see how it does. Starts off on the highest output. That's 35 feet from where I'm standing. Easily making it across the park to those playgrounds. 65 feet to this tree here from where I'm standing. Tree line, fence line. See the intensity on that beam. It's cold out here. Beam is really tight. Nice combination beam. I'll pan around here. Making 238 feet there. Tree behind this tree of life, which is 138 feet from where I'm standing. Sorry about the wind. Hopefully it's not going into microphones too much. Almost making that first palm tree faintly. Alright, do a before and after here. See how it does. It's cold out here. This wind is pretty chilly. So hopefully it'll keep the run times good on this higher output. Alright, we're going to go down to the next one. See how it does. Again, still got some good light output and good range on this. Still making it across the park to those playgrounds. Alright, we're going to go to the next level here. Let's see how it does. There's the lowest light output there. And you could easily, yeah, it is still faintly making 65 feet. And there it is on the water spout. I'm going to go back up to the highest output. There we go. Kind of end the video here on this one. Really nice series of lights from Klarus on this models. A lot of dust. Allergies have been bugging me. Alright, got the tree line, fence line here. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Excellent performance from this light. Really nice, tight beam. Good combination of throw. A little bit of kind of flood in there as well. Kind of gives you that additional beam performance, especially in the spill area, but it's really tight, cuts off abruptly. So if you're needing something that throws out that light but still provides a good spill area to monitor your walking area, that's very nice, especially if you're in a police officer, security guard, could be anything. This is definitely going to be easy to use. Pull that light out quickly. You can easily, strobe ready right away, right out, boom. And you can pressure release that. That's really a nice feature in my opinion, especially for law enforcement. And then pull it out real quickly. Doesn't matter where you hit that. So you're not having to do, you take it out and you're stuck, it's the other side and you're using another finger. That takes up valuable time in an emergency. Okay, now before I close this out, just want to show you guys how this fits in this holster. Now the holster is pretty snug, but it will work easily. Now see what I was telling you, how the little bowl there, it will protect that light from being activated by covering the whole area all the way around so it doesn't accidentally get pushed in and turn on. So that's a really neat idea from Klarus. See how that fits right in there? So provides good protection of this flashlight, and it's definitely rugged enough to use for everyday carry and use. So now I want to thank Klarus for sending me this to review. Now remember, this is a complete kit. If you are interested in this, I will leave a link to the Klarus Amazon store, and if you're a Prime member, you're going to get it a lot faster. And that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights here from Klarus to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.